A few moments later.
This juncture, let's proceed to the third operation, which is the multiplication. Okay, if you have considered the two operations, which is the addition and subtraction of integers, so basic, then definitely I'm gonna say that multiplication and division is or are more than basic dun sa naunang dalawang operations. Okay, in multiplying integers, we need to consider again the signs and signs, of course. Okay, if it's same sign, all we need to do is to multiply. Just parang nag-multiply tayo ng normal multiplication. Okay, the product is always positive. However, if they are different signs or unlike, okay, the product is always negative. Okay, let's apply this in example number 1. Okay, negative 10 times negative 10. So, we have seen that they are both negative. So, the same signs, right? So, the answer is 10 multiplied by 10 gives you 100. Okay, bakit walang negative dito? Kasi, the signs are the same or magkapareho. Kaya, ang answer natin is positive 100. Okay, example number 2, negative 5 multiplied by 4. Okay, in this case, kabaligtaran naman, magkaiba ang sign. We do have negative sign and we do have positive sign. Okay, negative multiplied by positive gives you negative answer. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20. So the final answer here is negative 20. Okay, last operation to be discussed today is the division. Okay, the division has same rules as multiplication, meaning to say, if they are same signs, the quotient is always positive. And meanwhile, if they are different signs, the quotient is always negative. So that's how easy it is. So let's apply how it works in example number 1. Okay, negative 12 divided by positive 4. Okay, they are different signs, of course. The answer or the quotient is negative as well. Then divide. 12 divided by 4 gives you the quotient of 3. So the final answer here is negative 3. Right? Okay, example number 2. Negative 30 divided by negative 10. Okay, they are the same signs, negative. So the answer here is positive. Okay, 30 divided by 10 gives you 3. So the final answer here is positive 3. So we're done discussing the 4 operations, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Any questions, clarifications so far? Okay, if that's the case, let's proceed to the activity to further assess or evaluate whether we have understood the lessons logically and carefully. Okay, this activity was entitled Try Me. Okay, let's solve it one by one. Okay, letter A, 5 minus negative 8. Okay, the thing that we're gonna use here is the rule in subtraction. Okay, in subtraction, we're gonna retain the minuend first. Okay, 5. Then change the operation into addition. Okay, plus. Then opposite of negative 8 is positive 8. Then our new numbers are positive 5 and positive 8. Okay, 5 plus 8 gives you the final answer of 13. In letter B, the equation is negative 7 plus 8. Okay, that is addition. Okay, the rule that we're gonna use is in addition, of course. Okay, now, they are different signs. We do have negative, we do have positive. Okay, ang gagamitin nating rule is yung sinusubtract ang kanilang absolute values. Okay, 8 minus 7 gives you 1, of course, and 1. So what is the sign that we're gonna use? So the sign that we're gonna use is the sign of the higher number. So alin dyan ang mas malaki? Of course, 8. So the sign that we're gonna use is positive. So the final answer here is positive 1. Okay, letter C, 36 divided by negative 6. Okay, madali lang din to kasi all we need to do is to divide 36 and 6. So that gives you 6. And alin sign, or since magkaiba sila ng sign different, so the sign is always negative. Okay, and last but definitely not the least is negative 4 times 3. So just like in this 1, magkaiba ang signs, different. So, all we need to do is to do a normal multiplication. So, 4 times 3 gives you 12. Okay, and the sign that we're gonna use is negative as well since magkaiba ang kanilang signs. Okay, that's all for our mathematics tutorial video. So again, hope this video seems helpful to you and beneficial as a student. So I know this topic is so tricky, but I know with this video, I might help you in solving this tricky topic. So hope you find it interesting. So again, I am Joshua S. Loresma at your service.